Hi, my name is Dr. Roof and today I will unbox this Kavo K Control 4970 and the K POWERgrip 4941. This tool is from the KaVo Dental. This is the KaVo Dental Excellence, and this is the very good tool if you are a dentist or if you are working at a dental laboratory, and this will make your work very easy. The first of all, once I opened the box, I found this the instruction manual for the K Control 4970. This is the instruction manual for the K Control foot control type, and second instruction manual I found is this K POWERgrip 4941. This is the instruction manual for the handpiece. So after the instruction manual, let's see what's inside the box we are having. Is that the next inside the box I found this small box. It's written the K POWERgrip handstuck 4941. This is the handpiece for this K Control foot control unit. So I will open it. So this is the handpiece, and inside the box I have also found some of the tools. It's a cleaning brush and some of the small accessories for this POWERgrip. So let's keep it aside and see the what's more we're having in the box. The next one is that we're having this power cord. Yeah, this is the power cord for this K Control foot control unit. And the last one we are having this K Control main unit. Yes, this is the main K Control from KaVo. So I will show you two one by one now. So the first one we are having is this K POWERgrip KaVo type 4941. And it can work up to the maximum of 50,000 RPM. And on the other side, it needs to be attached to the KaVo K Control foot control unit through this jack right here. So this is the KaVo POWERgrip, and this is made of a very good material and a very long durable material. So, and it's very ergonomic when we are placing in hand. And this is the place you have to rotate it right here. It's very smooth, and you can open the burr and you can put it back, and you have to rotate it back like this way. So this is the POWERgrip, and very good, very ergonomic. So now we are having this Kavo K Control 4970. This is the foot control unit, and this is made of the very good material, and the design is also unique. You can see this is the front. It's like the dome shape right here, and on the back side it looks just the slight smooth curves on the sides. So this is the K Control. I will show you every single part of it much closer. So the first we are having the KaVo branding here. This is the branding I love the most in the dentistry, because every single equipment from this brand is the top-notch equipments they made. So this is the brand I love, and I want every single part in my clinic from the same brand. So the second one we're having is this the foot control lever here. This is very smooth. You can see it's very smooth. This is to control the speed of the POWERgrip handpiece. And after that I will come to the next part, is that we're having the one button is on the right side and one is on the left side. And first I will come to this button. This button right here is a speed limitation preselector, where you can adjust the speed of the POWERgrip handpiece up to the 30,000 RPM if you keep it down, and if I will put this button up, so now it can run the POWERgrip handpiece up to the 50,000 RPM. The other switch here is mentioned L and R. This is called the direction switch. It can run the POWERgrip in the clockwise or the counterclockwise direction. And one more feature of this switch is that if I can keep it right up here in the L mode, so it can run the POWERgrip at the 5,000 RPM in the counterclockwise direction. So this is the function of this switch, L and R switch. And coming on the back side, you can see this handle. This is to hold the this K Control to move it from one to other place. And on the back side you can see this is the socket for the POWERgrip. We have to insert the POWERgrip right into this motor socket, and the other one we're having is this, and this is the socket here for the power supply. So this is all about this Kavo Control 4970. Now I will assemble all the parts with this Kavo K Control and show you how it works. The first I will attach this power grip to the main unit through this motor socket right here. The next we will attach the power supply right at this very power socket. This is all done. Now we can see the yellow light right here. It shows that your control unit and the power grip is very ready to use. The first we will keep the speed at the 30,000 RPM. So we have kept the speed at the 30,000 RPM and see how this power grip works. Wow, this is working flawlessly, very smooth and without producing noise at 30,000 RPM. So now I will move the switch to the 50,000 RPM. This is the maximum speed. So let's see how this power grip works at 50,000 RPM. Wow, it's still good without producing a lot of noise. And it doesn't feel that it's working at the 50,000 RPM. There are no movements. It's very quiet. Now the next one we are having is that if I will keep this direction switch to this L mode, right, and see how it works at the 5,000 RPM. So now this will work in the counterclockwise direction at the 5,000 RPM. I don't even heard any noises from this when it's working at the 5,000 RPM. It's very good. And this is all about the Kavo K Control and the power grip. The cost of this Kavo K Control and the power grip is around $1,500 US, and but this is the value for money, and this is surely the very good for your practice. So hope this video is really helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button below and do subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you.